Yesterday, a child came out to wonder.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel, Megan Victoria. My name is Megan. I'm a pro hair makeup artist, and I'm super lame because I love these makeup looks. Those like super easy, quick, get out the door, super efficient, like just natural, pretty looks. I'm boring. I know there's so much like fun creativity on this like platform of, you know, super amazing cut creases and all that jazz. But there's just this place in my heart for just when my skin looks glowy. It's just like springtime fresh. Everything's just soft and pretty, and it takes me 5 seconds to get out the door because, like, let's be real, that's the important part of it. So today we did this makeup look. I used some of my favorite products that I've just really been loving lately that I really just keep going back to. But this look is 0 brushes. Literally everything is just a sponge. We didn't use any powder. If you do have a more oily complexion, you can definitely substitute in some powder. But I used a lot of self-setting products, so again we're cutting our makeup time in half. Tried to do a couple little new techniques to like make it even quicker. So if you just need like a quick out the door makeup look that makes you look fresh and wide awake and you got like 5 minutes, I think you'll really enjoy this video. So without further ado, let us get started. Alright, so let's get started. We're gonna keep today like really simple. So I'm gonna first start off with the Makeup Forever Reboot Foundation. This is really glowy. It's just a really beautiful, natural, like everyday foundation. Okay, so how I like to apply this foundation, I'll take like a pump, maybe 2 on the back of my hand. I think I'm gonna warm it up a little bit with like this other shade. Do it that nice and simply, and just kind of dot it on. I just like spreading the foundation on the face first, and I just work off the back of my hand and keep it nice and simple, and then I'll grab the rest on my little sponge and just work this into the skin. Now I really enjoy this foundation without skincare. It is so luminous and radiant and has skincare in the foundation, but you really don't need to be going in with like thick moisturizers or primers prior to this. I just think it works really well on its own, and when I've done like really intense skincare, I find it can look a tad oily just because there's so much moisture sitting on more moisture. So I have like my moisturizer from like last night that's still like on my face, and that is like the perfect amount of like prep. We don't want anything intense or heavy. This foundation truly looks invisible on the skin. It's honestly incredible. I'm so impressed with the formula. You cannot see it, you just have really beautiful skin, and I think everyone needs this in their collection. Okay, so we have a super light layer of foundation all over the skin. I'm gonna go into my Benefit color corrector and I'm gonna sponge that right underneath the eyes just to color correct any darkness. So we'll take it on the outside corner, right in that inner socket to really get that darkness, the inner, underneath, and outer corner. That's really gonna help your eyes look nice, bright, and awake. Okay, and next we're gonna take a little concealer, just a quick little swipe. Sometimes I'll take it a little bit around my nose, just anywhere we want a little bit more coverage, just like a little amount like that. Now, because I don't want a ton of concealer under my eyes, I'm trying to keep this nice and natural. I'm gonna start blending out everywhere else. It's just going to give it a couple seconds just for the concealer to set a tiny bit around the eyes, which will then give me a little bit more coverage from my product. Take it across the eyelids because our eyelids can definitely like, they're very thin, so they can have lots of like little veins show, which can kind of just give you like that really like tired look. So you just want to conceal the eyelids. And then lastly, you can go and grab your concealer right underneath your eyes. Okay, so this is a self-setting concealer, so I'm not even doing anything to the under eye, which I love. Okay, so for me, the most important thing is that I have just like flawless, perfect skin, which, hello, we've achieved, amazing. Next, I'm gonna add a little bit of dimension and color to the face. So we're gonna do this really quickly. I love to take these Bare Minerals foundation sticks. This is like my contour bronzer. We're gonna just do that like that. Gonna draw on my cheek color with these Buxom sticks. These are amazing. I love these. And I like to take it across my nose too. You can also just pop it on your lips for a little bit of color. And then as well, I'm gonna take my Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter for a little bit of glow. I never do my makeup like this, but honestly, if you just wanna run out the door, throw all your layers on and then just blend it all together, and you're gonna get just such a natural, easy result, especially if you just want to, you know, use a sponge, do your makeup for like 5 seconds and be done with it. Take a tiny bit more blush because I do love a good blushy look, but I love how the bronzer slightly kind of mixes with everything as well and just gives you this really like sun-kissed flush. And because all these products are balms, they're not even creams. We are using balmy textures, which means they're kind of like jelly, which means they're a little bit more translucent. So you're getting that really skin-like feel, and nothing's like caking up and being like cream on cream on cream. Everything is just like really sheer, which just gives you like the most natural, beautiful result, and it's just like quick and easy to do. Alright, so I'm just gonna fill in my brows, super natural, just kind of fluffing my pencil through, and then every kind of few strokes, just like to blend it just so I know it's nice and soft. And we'll just set with brow gel. And we'll curl our lashes. And then apply mascara. And then to finish off, I'll just do a little bit more lip balm. I always need to add more blush, and we can because we have not put powder anywhere, so nothing will get all messed up, so a little bit more blush. And I do love some setting spray, especially if you have not used powder. Perfect little trick. And you just want to press that in. Alright guys, perfect natural makeup. No brushes, no powder, just our beautiful glowing skin a little bit enhanced with a few quick and easy products for a super simple and easy to achieve makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! Mwah.